WordPress SEO by Yoast comes with some very powerful built-in tools. If you're installing this plugin on an existing site, it's likely you already have a number of existing posts and pages on your site, and it can be tedious to open each one individually in the editor to create custom SEO titles and meta descriptions. The bulk editor allows you to quickly change titles and descriptions of your posts and pages without having to go into the editor for each individual page. You can see the article heading or WordPress page title, the existing Yoast SEO title, if one exists, and you can simply enter a new Yoast SEO title here. When you're finished making changes, you can save individual titles or save all your changes at once. Of course, hovering over each title in the list reveals links to open that post in the editor or view the post in your browser. The bulk description editor works in the same way, enabling you to edit and create individual meta descriptions for each post or page in your site. The file editor allows you to quickly edit your robots.txt file, and if you have one, your .htaccess file. If your site doesn't already have a robots.txt file, you can easily create one here. When a robot visits your site, it first checks for instructions in this file. Here, you can disallow access to specific pages or directories on your site, and robots will not crawl or index those particular pages. For example, there's no need for a search engine robot to index the contents of the WordPress admin directory. In the same way, advanced users can edit the content of the .htaccess file here to set up redirects, security tweaks, or rewrite rules. But changes to this file can also completely cripple your site, so you should really only make changes here if you know precisely what you're doing. Still, these tools provide easy access to two files that are very important to your site. And finally, let's look at the import and export settings. It takes time to properly configure this or any other SEO plugin, and even more time to add custom SEO titles and meta descriptions for every individual post on your site. So, if you've already exported a settings file from another installation of the WordPress SEO plugin by Yoast, you can simply upload that file here, importing all your existing settings. To export your WordPress SEO settings from this site, choose whether to include any taxonomy metadata, which may be specific to this particular site, and then click the Export button to save the settings file to your computer. If you've used another SEO plugin before installing WordPress SEO by Yoast, you can use these simple tools to import all that original data into this plugin. If you do so, it's also a good idea to delete the old data after the import process is complete. And you can also import data from older plugins by Yoast here. If you've added redirect rules to your .htaccess file on your web server, you can import those redirects here. The plugin will automatically find any redirect rules and then import them into the Redirects panel for you to manage later. Hopefully, these powerful tools will help save you time and effort in the future.